brown sugar is added, it turns into the favorite of chili, tomato, beans, cucumber, and eggplant, all of which are commonly found in our households. It's neither fertilizer nor medicine, but it keeps our crops blooming continuously, bearing fruit incessantly, and growing vigorously. We've specifically experimented with this method and found that it not only promotes crop growth and strengthens seedlings, but also significantly reduces disease occurrence compared to crops that haven't been treated. The effects are remarkably evident. Today I'm sharing this formula for free, so please give it a like, follow, and save for reference. Once missed, you'll never find this miraculous recipe again. Before the crops flower, we spray a mixture of 20 milliliters of beer, 15 grams of brown sugar, diluted in 15 kilograms of water. After the crops fruit, we spray the whole plant again with a mixture of 20 milliliters of vinegar, plus 10 grams of baking soda, diluted in 15 kilograms of water. This will leave your crop leaves lush, thick, and vigorously growing, not only boosting yield, but also significantly enhancing the marketability of the fruit. Do you remember? Follow me for daily shares of more agricultural knowledge.